Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Are you distracted by my eyebrows? If you aren't, I would be so surprised. If you are, it's okay. I am doing a video on dyeing my eyebrows. Today I'm going to be using the Godefroy Tint Kit. I've used this in the past. I will link it in my video. But yeah, this is just me applying it on. Well, it's been applied on and I'm in the process of waiting. So I figured I'd film my intro. Make it interesting, make it exciting. So no, this is not the end result. You will see the end result once the timer's up. So if you're interested in seeing the result, definitely keep on watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you like the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna dye my eyebrows. I did a similar video like this a few months back and I used the Ardell eyebrow dyeing kit. I wasn't crazy about it. I'm sorry, I have like pigeons or doves or something like right above me, like out of my window, like on the roof, and they just keep flying out of, like they come and then they fly, and aside from that I have a hawk that's been hunting them. So I don't know if they're running away from the hawk or not. That's why I keep getting distracted. My apologies. Alright, I tried the Ardell eyebrow dyeing kit that was launched a few months ago. I wasn't crazy about it, to be honest, because it didn't last long. It looked really pretty, but it didn't last long. This is not the first time that I'm using this one that I ordered, the Godefroy Tint Kit. This is what it looks like, and believe it or not, I actually have a video. It's almost 10 years old, maybe like 9 years old, somewhere between 8 and 9 years old, that I uploaded on my YouTube channel a long time ago, and I'll link it here if you want to watch it. I was very young then. I was younger. So if you see it and you see that I'm like more quiet, you know, just be nice. But I'm gonna give it a go again. I do remember liking that kit a lot and that it lasted a few days. So we're gonna try it out. This one retails for $12.95, so about $13. The Ardell one I think is closer to $15 to $20. So price point is better. I don't remember how many capsules you get in the Ardell one. This one you get 4 capsules. And to be honest with you, I don't even think you need to open the entire capsule and pour it out. I'm going to do like half and half. But I'll show you what the kit comes with too. It comes with a little information kit. It says not to use metal bowls or combs. Do not save or reuse any tint that you have left over. Meaning once you use the developer and the tint, like the powder, and mix it, whatever you have left over, you gotta toss it. In this little kit, you get the developer, which is this. This is what you're gonna mix in. That's gonna help the color. You get, oops. You get these little sticks, I'm guessing to mix it with. So I'll use that to mix. And you get this little cute bowl to mix it in with. Hold on. How cute. It's like what they use like when they're mixing your hair color, like this. Adorable. And then you have the pigment, which comes in these little capsules. Highly suggest if you have children, do not leave it by them because this is pigment. You don't want them swallowing it or whatever. So, okay. I'm going to actually use a angled brush to get into my brows. Use this brush. Just any angled brush would do fine. I'm going to take this one. This is from Eighshow. I usually use like, I would normally use my e.l.f. one, but I can't find it. But any slanted brush. And the reason I'm going to use that is because it's going to give me better control for getting into my brows, filling it in. Okay, so let's just mix it. I'm going to open the capsule very slowly and I'm going to pour some of it in here. Now, I already washed my face, so you want to definitely do it on a clean face because you want the product to tint the brows, and I like this one because I know it kind of tints my skin a little bit. Alright, I got it. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to pour it in here. I don't even know how much to pour. I think that might actually be enough. It's a little bit. So this could be used for your eyebrows. This could be used for touching up like here. I'm using it for my eyebrows. I have the color dark brown. I'm hoping that's going to be a good fit for me. I saw the other colors and I kind of felt like they were going to be too light. So now I'm taking the developer. Actually, let me get up and show you what I'm doing. So you have the product in there. Put the developer in there. I'm going to take one of these sticks and I'm going to mix it. I need more developer. That. It's hard to mix. I'm showing you. You get the idea. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to keep mixing. If you hear that bird in the background, I'm pretty sure that's the hawk I was talking about. And I promise you, like, I don't even live like in the woods or anything. I literally live in like the suburbs. And I just have this crazy hawk that hangs out. All right, this is what we have. So I think I'm supposed to let it sit for a few minutes. Maybe I should read the directions. It's been a long time. Directions for use. Prior to using, read all instructions carefully. Perform an allergy test. I'm not going to do that. I should. If you've never used this before, I recommend you do an allergy test if you're sensitive to stuff like this. I think if you've gotten your hair dyed in the past and you're okay with it, you should be fine, but do the allergy test. Wash with warm... Oh, wait. It says here, before you begin the tinting process, it is important to remove any oils from the treated area. That's why I washed my face before. So don't do it with makeup, and just wash your face beforehand. This will allow for better color processing. Cleanse the area with soap and water. Did that. Apply from root to end. Process the color. And now it says here, the color time varies. So like if you're dyeing your brows dark brown, it says to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. One thing that I will say is I read the reviews online and they said that when they put it on for 1 to 2 minutes, it really didn't do much. I'm going to leave it on for, let's do 8 minutes just to be safe. I was going to say 10, but we'll try 8 minutes. So it's developed, it's mixed nicely, and I'm going to start. Hopefully that's close enough for you. I need a mirror because I can't see. So I'm going to use my mirror. I'm going to start off by applying this like if I was filling in my eyebrows, right? And I'm going to follow the natural shape here, but I'm going to put it a little bit heavier from here out, but I'm not going to go too heavy in the front because I don't want blocky brows. So let's start. In focus? Yes. So like here. So I'm going to go like this. See how I just did that? Because again, I want the front to be lighter than the back. So you're basically applying this like if you were just filling in your brows. Just like that. I'm going to do my other eyebrow and then I'm going to touch up because I need these to be done around the same time. You want to take your time when you're doing this, because if you get it on your like skin outside of the area that you're trying to dye, it's going to stain your skin a bit. So just keep that in mind. So here in the front, I'm definitely just going to like take my time filling that in. Because like I said, if I do it too much, it's going to be very blocky. So I'm kind of like feathering it out in the front. Same thing here. Just want to keep it soft in the front. See? But now I'm seeing that this side's getting a little bit thick, so I just want to even it out. So now whatever's left over, I'm going to make sure that these ends are filled in nicely. Just putting a little bit more. Again, I really want it to stain my skin too. I'm going to take that little stick from before and I'm just going to clean up this area right here. Now we wait. I'm going to put a timer on. Time is almost up. We have 50 seconds. All right, that's time. Let's wipe these off and see what's going on. I think it looks good. It's a little bit dark, obviously, but that's okay. Let me put my hair, ow. Let me put my hair down because I'm going to be able to see it a little bit better. It's not bad. Not bad at all. The only thing that I do want to fix really quick, because I can see it and it's going to bother me, is this little gap right here. So I'm just going to hit it one more time, rinse it and come back, and we'll look at the final brow. I washed it out. This is what it looks like now, dried. It is just a little bit dark, but it's going to get lighter in a couple days, probably by tomorrow. I will update you guys on how long it lasts for. I'll either add it in the description or I'll make a post about it. But I do like it. I feel like the color's on my skin nicely, like it stained it good, where it makes my brows look a little more full. Because I have a problem with this area and a little bit of this area. But overall, I like it. I think the color's good. Again, I use dark brown. And obviously everything's going to look better once I have like makeup on and stuff. But I wanted to do this video for you guys. I wanted to share. I do remember I did enjoy this one a lot. And like I said, for the capsule, the amount that I'm using for my eyebrows, like if I get 4 capsules and I'm using like a third for 2 eyebrows of each capsule, I'm getting like maybe 12 uses out of it, or maybe even a little bit more. So if you're interested in if you're interested in dyeing or tinting your brows at home, highly recommend this kit. I like it better than the Yesstyle one. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in my next one.